Hey there, I'm Brad Smith with Sakata. I'm the retail category manager here for us. Work with retailers, growers, consumers trying to get items to market to help the consumer be successful. One of the great items we've brought to market is called SuperCal. SuperCal is an interspecific cross between Petunia and calibrachoa. What makes it so unique is it doesn't have any sticky foliage, so it's self-cleaning, botrytis doesn't become a problem. We did a water box torture chamber here 1 year at Cass, where we put these things inside a box, poured water on their head, and they stood up the whole time. Most petunias can't do that. They take the heat of the summer. Most petunias are gonna die out and it gets too hot, quit flowering, not SuperCal. They also take cold weather. They can survive a frost. They can go down to 25 degrees. So you can sell this to a consumer early spring, finish it outside if you're a grower, put it in the stores peak of spring. That homeowner is gonna have this look or better for 3 seasons, spring, summer, fall. It gives them that experience, that comfort to know the purchase they made was so rewarded with the performance of the product they had in their garden, in their hanging basket. Anywhere in the landscape they can think of, SuperCal is revolutionizing the petunia market.